Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the automatic repair loop problem in Windows. If your PC keeps showing automatic repair, your PC did not start correctly, then follow this process carefully, because in many cases, this solves the issue completely. When that screen appears, you will see Advanced Options. Click Advanced Options. After that, choose Troubleshoot. Inside Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options again. Now select Startup Repair. Windows will begin diagnosing your PC. At this stage, the system checks startup files, disk status, and boot-related errors. Wait until the process finishes. Sometimes Windows repairs the problem automatically and your PC starts normally. But if Startup Repair finishes and shows Startup Repair couldn't repair your PC, then move to the next method. Again, click Advanced Options. Go to Troubleshoot, then open Advanced Options once more. This time select Command Prompt. Command Prompt will open. Now, here you need to type a repair command. Type sfc scannow. Make sure there is a space after sfc, then type / and scannow exactly. After typing the command, press Enter. Windows will now begin scanning system files. This process checks whether any important Windows files are corrupted. It may take several minutes, so wait until it reaches 100%. Once the scan completes, Windows will automatically repair any corrupted files it finds. If corrupted files are repaired successfully, you'll see a confirmation message. After that, type Exit. Then press Enter. This closes Command Prompt. Now you will return to the recovery screen. Click Continue. Windows will restart. Wait while the system loads again. If the repair was successful, the automatic repair loop will stop, and Windows should open normally. As you can see, once corrupted files are repaired, the PC starts successfully without returning to the repair screen. Thanks for watching.